Hello lovelies, today I'm doing a product review on some juice. This one's called Introjuice Superfood from Vivalicious. The marketing is phenomenal. So this one is called Recharge, and basically it's just fruit, all fruit, mango, apple, pineapple, passion fruit, but it's got some mesquite in it. Now, who on earth knows what mesquite is? But I mean, it must be good, right? I had a little look up, and it comes from the legume family, so of course I can say that it's high protein. But in reality, there's probably about less than 1% in here. And really, what you are having with these liquid forms of fruit juice are just sugar. It's just going to give you a sugar hit. So when these things hit your bloodstream, it's the same as having a can of Coke. There's no fiber to slow it down. So when all of that sugar gets into your bloodstream, your body panics. If your blood sugar levels are too high or too low, your body releases hormones to bring it back into balance again. And one of the things it does when you have something like this is your body panics. So it releases things like hormones and insulin and adrenaline to bring it back down to normal. So once again, I want you to just please don't drink these liquid forms of sugar. I know it says, that it's natural and no preservatives. If it's in a bottle, if it's on a shelf, it's been heat treated. It has to be. And even if you are drinking juice that has, like, you've got the juicer right there and you juice it right in front of you, yes, that's going to be better than this, but it's still giving your body a sugar hit. Now, one of the brands of these, one of the flavors, is one called Cleanse You. And when you read it, it says super greens, a blend of wheatgrass and barley grass and spirulina and chlorella. Now, I added it all up, and I did because these are the last ingredients. When you have a look at the ingredients, all the first ingredients are fruit. And it said this percentage, that percentage of fruit. It was like over 50% of it was fruit. And then there was water. These super greens were less than 1%. But that's how they're getting you to buy it, because you think, oh, that's great. Yeah, I'm going to have a cleanse me. So what would I much rather you do? I would much rather you have a smoothie. And then you're getting all of the fiber. And at least when it's in a smoothie, the fiber is slowing down the rate at which all of the sugar from the fruit is getting into your bloodstream. Now, it's going to be much, much better if you eat it, but at least a smoothie has got the fiber. So yeah, I really have a problem with these things. It just gets us every time. The marketing looks fabulous, and when you read Recharge and Beauty and Cleanse You, it can just be, so, what's the word? Magnetic, you just want it. But please resist the temptation to buy these liquid fruit juices. And when I say liquid, I mean, without the fiber. Go for an orange, go for a whole mango, go for, real food every single time. Look, I hope that helps. Couldn't resist a bit of a rant about these things. The marketing is just so persuasive, and we really think we're doing our health some good, but in reality, you're just giving your body a sugar hit. Anyway, if you've got any questions, pop them below. Have a great day.